What's up? It's Trevor with Associated Air Products. Building a control panel for a project we got coming up here. We've got a hot water system and a snow melt system, and then a miscellaneous panel controller that's all going to be coming out of this one panel. It's a big panel. Most of it's already done, but I didn't think to do this until now, but I'm going to do a time lapse of the rest of it. It's going to be a pretty big panel. It kind of looks sloppy right now, but it's going to look good. So we'll get going on it and we'll check it out. Alright, so got her all kind of dressed up for the most part. Still got a couple little connections to make. Once I get this fully programmed, I'll permanently mount it here, get the grounds made up, make a couple remaining connections, and then she'll be ready to go out and installed in the field. This big old door needs to go on there. But yeah, so all these are blank on this side because once this gets installed out at the job site, this is where all the field connections get made. So this has snow melt on it and then a hot water system. So you got hot water pumps, hot water valves, sensors, hot water supply, hot water return sensors, all that kind of stuff. So the installer, electrician will run wires from this side of the block, and then they'll go out throughout the building and pick up all the sensors with the wiring, and then it'll all get wired back onto this side. So on this side of the block, we have certain sensors and valves assigned to all these little points on these controllers. So like this DOC1, that specific point is programmed inside to turn on and off a pump. So this is wired all over here to this terminal, and then, so let's say it's out number 6. So number 6 will have a wire that goes out in the building, and that'll go out to a pump to turn it on and off. And all these terminals go out to something, and they all come back to custom programming inside of these that connects back to that main one. And then the customer can connect into the main Jace controller and pull up a graphics screen and control all this stuff through their computer. So this is just one of many panels we'll have at this job, and just one of many that we have out there. So it's a crazy world, man. You can just control everything from the computer. It's like we're in the future. But